Well, we are in Ocala National Forest. I am at Juniper Springs recreation area. Online mixed reviews for this place. Some people said it was very beautiful years ago, but kind of run down. And I kind of like that angle because maybe not as many people come here anymore, but it's still got a lot of cool stuff.
We got the motorcycle up on the back of the truck. We are headed up to the north side of Ocala here. I'm going to get on the tread lightly and we'll see how this goes.